Hey, what's going on? We got the Cramorant Shiny Fates 10 in your face with the Lazy Panda. Here we go. Let's crack this little bad word open. I got Bugs with me. She's always with me. Help. I'm just kidding. Alright, here we go. Shiny Fate. Shouldn't have had that chalupa. My hands are greasy. I had a chalupa before the opening. And I got greasy hands. Because you know Taco Bell's got greasy chalupas. Alright. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And water. That's a good sign. Yeah. Floatzel, Nickit, Grookey, and Yaman. Morpeko and Choodle. Nickit, 2 Nickits in a row and a Volcanion.
Whoa.
Please get better.
Wave it up from here.
Please. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna guess Dark Energy. Close enough. There's Dark Font in it, so Team Yell. Wah! Eevee, Morpeko, Choodle, Trapinch, and regular Celebi.
Whoa.
Wow. Hashtag blessings. Here we go, here we go. Turning my fate around with shiny fates. And dark energy. I was one off. That's what I guessed last time. Gym trainer. Come on down to the gym trainer and get in shape. Horsey. Oh yeah, Glaring Rapidash.
Oh,
Holy
that's a
moly.
good one.
Let's go, baby.
I read it's one of the highest value
yeah.
cards.
Oh my gosh, Bugs.
Rilla, boom.
You're a know-it-all, Bugs.
Yeah.
There he goes, Galarian Rapidash. Haters gonna hate.
She's pretty.
Son of a bitch, Bugs. Every time.
Sorry. Check.
Whoa, welcome back to the Lazy Panda.
Wow,
Bugs
okay.
just completely shat on our camera setup.
I don't know why
Yeah.
it happens to me. I'm just
Every time.
it's always in my way.
Well, yeah, because we have to film the cards.
Yeah, but I always like bump it, and then it's like an earthquake.
Yeah. Yeah. How about that?
Sorry.
You also
My
run this
bad.
stuff very easily, too.
Yeah, I do. All right, electric, Dartrix, Luxio, Team Yell Towel.
Yell.
Woo!
Bad karma if we don't yell.
Morpeko, Spinarak, Weasel, Rowlet, Trapinch, Yanma. Is that rude?
Regulars are rude. Awesome. Holy cow. Challenge anybody with this legendary deck. Just pull Celebi and Zerber.
What's going on? These don't open very easy, do they?
No, I've been struggling with them. Eevee. That's one of my favorite artists. I think that's cool. But who cares what I like?
No one does.
No one does.
I care.
Yeah.
Psychic. Wacky Rota. Rusted Sword. You might want to clean that.
What?
Rusted Sword.
With vinegar and baking soda?
Yeah. Or
See? Oh, we got a full art. Oh
Did?
my gosh, we got a full
We
art.
did?
Yeah.
No,
Oh. Psych.
boom. Professor's research. All right.
Research this.
Last pack.
Please, Bugs.
I can do this. I can do this.
I hope so.
There's
Yes.
really no strategy to it. You know, and I don't pack the cards. I'm just opening what they give me, so. Hopefully. They were nice to me.
Please. Oh, we got a full art.
You don't know that.
I can tell.
Really.
If we get a full art, this deck.
Oh! We did.
We got a full art. I told you. Oh my gosh, what do you think it is? Take a guess. Take a guess. Take a guess. What do you think?
Oh.
Shiny Charizard.
Ditto.
Ditto.
I want the ditto.
Shiny Charizard. I can tell
Yeah.
already.
Whoa! Wow! That is beautiful.
Risha Rammer.
Kramer!
Voice's favorite Pokemon.
Wow, it's a nice pack.
Yeah, that's a good one to end it on.
All right. Well, pretty good pulls here.
Look at that. Let's go, baby.
Round of applause.
Or you're just not going around.
Okay. Well,
You gotta go around. Oh, the camera goes again.
I didn't.
See you next time on the Lazy Panda. Bye.